Okay, today I just want to share about using front loading washer LG 10.5 kg. Okay, here is the detergent compartment. So here is detergent, here is softener. Okay, once we put all the clothes inside the washer, just turn on. Okay, if I wash normal clothes, something like t-shirt, small underwear or something else, maybe we can use cotton or mixed fabric, and then just press start. Okay, if let's say you don't like to use hot water, so you can adjust here the temperature here. So this is 40 Celsius. If I want to use cold water, just press here until the light indicator go to cold. After that, just press start. Okay, and then if I'm washing special clothes, something like sport wear or wool material, you can simply just use knob here using in delicate or hand wool, or sport wear also can, and then just press start. That's all. Thank you.